Yo, what's good, everybody? How we doing? Good evening, Mahmood, Maritimes, Chris, Mason, Kyle, Casper, Grey Horse. How we doing, guys? Smash that thumbs up button if you could on your way in while we're getting settled in. Nice rip off the open. Here we go. Here we go. Um, yeah, how was your guys' trading day? Uh, like zoomed out when you look at it. Sweep high, sweep low, come right back to the middle, right where we were last night. So I don't know. I want to say that we need to, this hold down here of like above 365 was pretty key. I want to say that's pretty telling that we could be traveling back up towards 30K, 29,009. But the volatility right now with OPEX on is it Thursday or Friday? OPEX this week is making it a little difficult. Making it a little difficult. For reference, guys, I looked at the calendar from the account that we're trading on stream today, and I traded this account today to get it moving, kind of. So the account balance is a little bit higher than you guys remember. So we are less than $200 away from the buffer on this account now. I had over a $300 day on this account. Trading one micro still, sticking to the rules, but I kind of want to get this account moving a little bit. So I traded it today, full transparency. Made like $300 on it, and that's where we sit currently. So we're getting closer. We're almost to the buffer now. It's moving forward, and I might have to do that until we can get to that first payout, because we kind of want to get a piece of content out about this specific account. And in order to do that, we kind of have to get it. Oh, savvy. I mean, we're talking like 23 trading days. 23 trading days, something like that. Like an insane amount of trading days. Like the slowest moving account I have had in a long, long time. Let's see here. Okay. So, here's the account, guys. Just so you can see it. Just so you can see it. There's August. There's July. So that's the account. Man, without this big red day, we'd be fine. But that big red day kind of set us back a little bit. But yeah, it's just so slow. I can't remember the last time that it took this long. Hey, what's up, Romeo? But it moved. We progressed today. A $300 day helps. You stack a couple more of those, and we're to pay out. Yeah, Savvy. One micro, like on the small accounts, especially with the volatility right now, and unless you are just rifling through accounts, you really can't trade more than that. You have $1,000 account, right? That your available drawdown is actually your account size. So you can't, you just can't really trade more than that with the volatility. You just really can't. Otherwise, you're just going to be getting stopped out with size repeatedly because you have to keep your stop so close to current price. Unless you time it perfectly in a lot of these moves right now, you're getting stopped out. There's no doubt about it. Unless you time it absolutely perfect. I mean, the wicks are 30 points on these 5-minute candles, 40 points. So you just can't trade with that much size if you want to keep the account alive. And honestly, this is how people should trade them, right? Like it's how people should trade, but it's not ever what's shown. They'll say it. They'll say it over and over and over, but nobody actually does it. Nobody actually practices what they preach. So I'm trying to break that cycle And hopefully with this account, we can just document the full journey all the way to live. You know, that's the idea. Because I don't know that I've seen anybody take it from, you know, the very beginning all the way to turning it live. They might document, summarize their journey to live, but they're not showing it, right? That's the idea with this account. And I chose specifically a 25K because that's how what's up, Nims? That's how it should be done, to be fair. That's how it should be done. Unless you want to rinse through thousands of dollars, that's the way you need to approach the accounts. Or how you should approach the accounts. Yeah, Savvy. What's up, Trader 007? How are you? Yeah, Savvy. I used to trade minis as well. You can't do it right now. Just can't. Yeah, me too. Me too. I would have, I would be averaging like somewhere between $1,000 to $2,000 days. Occasionally, I'd have a $4,000 day, a $5,000 day, a $6,000 day. Those days are gone. I am not making this year what I have in the past. Not even close. Not even close. Probably about half because of the volatility. Oh, me too, Savvy. I miss being able to get into a position and hold it for hours. You can't do that right now. I mean, even look at today. Look at today. How about a from 8 o'clock or 7:45 till, what is this, 8:55? A 252-point move to the top side, so an hour's time, hour and a half. 252 points to the top side. Market opens up, and you have a flush of nearly 400 points to the downside. I mean, but it's not a smooth trip down either. In there's this green candle that bounces, 70-point bounce. What is this bounce? Let's see, 120-point bounce. Oh, assuming. Okay, so you changed it to Odie? All right. Got you. Got you. Thanks for the update. Gabe, you got your first payout right before all this? Yeah, I mean, if you started trading at any point this year or within the last year and a half, it's been the most difficult market environment that I've seen. And I've been trading for over 4 years. So, it's tough. It's tough, and anybody that says they're absolutely killing it is probably lying, to be fair. Nims. Yeah, Nims. There's moments where I'm thinking during the day, Nims. I know you're not watching the market religiously these days. There's moments, like the recent stretch. This is the daily, what it looks like right now. There's moments where I think, maybe we get this pull back to some of these double top highs and fill some of these daily imbalances that we have below, like back down to 22.4 or something like that. And the bid comes in, Nims. The bid comes in and it just rocket ships back up. Are we really that close though? Like you look at this year, right? I still say there's going to be another big bull run going into close out this year because the buyers have been in control really this whole year since April. Since April, it's been a straight shot up. So why not have one last squeeze to end the year? And then maybe it tails off towards, in December some point and rolls over for next year, maybe. But I have a heart that we're above all the daily SMAs. Once again, we reclaimed above the daily 50 today. Put in a nice doji on the daily. I don't know when it's gonna come. I don't know when it's gonna happen. Right, your next spot's obviously that daily 20. Imbalance right here between 29, 2 and 28, just below 29K. But I don't know. I think it's going to happen. Hey, what's up, JC? I think it's going to happen, Nims. At some point, you're going to get a nice sell-off. I do believe that. I just don't know when it's going to happen. And nobody does. Just when you think it's going to happen, you think it's happening. They find the bid. They absolutely find the bid. Tonight, guys, like I said, we're right where we were last night. Again, we're in that same spot. You know, we're in chop land. I'm honestly hoping. I'm hoping that this is the high of the session. To be fair. But I really don't know. I mean, look at the rock. Look at what's happening right now. Yeah, Gabe, you know, like that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we make another crazy bull run to end this year. And I know it seems crazy to say that, but I can honestly see another 2-month run. You know, something similar to this. I can see this happening all over again. You know? Maritimes, you're looking for that short between 650 and 660? 19,380 Nims, yeah. I don't know, Nims. Don't get me wrong, I would love that. I would love that for obviously so that you know you can. I know you're sitting on cash right now because you don't want to put anything in right now. Obviously, I mean I don't either. But I would say 22.4 if we get back around there would be a pretty good spot. You know, somewhere down in here. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Guys, tonight we are doing a giveaway, by the way. You're gonna send me something dumb? All right. We are doing a giveaway tonight. 25K Lucid Pro tonight for the giveaway. We stopped announcing them and putting thumbnails out for the giveaways, which could be, you know, why our views are way down because we're not announcing them anymore. But it gives you guys a better opportunity to win them as well. I'd rather have people who want to be here rather than people that just come in and go, wins giveaway, then enter and leave. I would much rather have those type of people here. But inevitably, when you put that on the thumbnails and you put it in your stream title, that's what you get. That's what you get. Doreen, what about the Sunday overnight? 328 points down. You think it was planned? Honestly, it happened. Yeah, I know. Doreen, did you know? I drew that. I made even a post on YouTube. Oh, thanks, Marzena. I circled when we were live on stream, and then I circled the rest of the night, or I drew a square around it. And it was crazy to see what happened. It was literally right after I ended the stream almost. Completely sideways for the entire stream. And then, yeah, nearly 400 points of downside is what I woke up to. All right, Nims, what you got? What? Really? Are you kidding me? That's crazy. Obviously, I'm not going to announce that live. Yeah, I see it, Nims. I'm not going to announce that live, but yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. I can't believe you're sitting on that much. Or we're sitting on that much. I don't know that I've ever been sitting on that much liquid, Nims. Then again, you did have some property sales, so yeah, I get that. I get that. That's half. Oh, jeez. Yeah, that's a dangerous amount of of liquidity, Nims. That's a dangerous amount. That's an unsettling amount, actually. Yeah, I would imagine that's yeah, 100%. That's probably the max. 100%. That's probably the max you could do. All right, guys. Let's see what we got. I'm kind of agreeing with that. You know, up in here for a possible short entry. Something like right here. Yeah, Nims, I don't know. Yeah, you can't. There's nothing you can really do. I mean, there are. Yeah, I don't know what I don't know what you would get into right now. On that big, because you can't even spread it out safe. I mean, you're not gonna make anything. Yeah, Bob. I mean, that's kind of where we're looking. Anything in between here is probably just going to be choppy. I mean, you kind of want to extend on today's profile. I can see it pulling back to the POC that's resting here. And then making a move back up, maybe a bounce off VWAP right at 600. You can see the volume node that's there. Oh, yeah, Nims. No, that's a big problem. All in on that gas. What could go wrong? Oh, goodness. We're going to draw this out on the 15-minute chart, and we'll leave it there. That's what I want to see. I want to see the wick above that 5-minute opening range candle, the 15-minute really. And then I want to see this next 15-minute kind of close back inside is what I would like to see. Yeah, Maritimes, that's kind of what I would be waiting on. You want to see that exhaustion. You want to see the exhaustion in the buying. You want to see sellers step in. Oh, man. We could have some moves tonight. Nat gas usually bottoms in August, JC. Mason's telling me music. Is the music off, guys? Is the music off? Apparently it is. Apparently it is. All right. Help slow it down. Doreen, so you always want to use the higher time frames for your analysis, and lower time frames are strictly to find your entry. But as far as areas, like finding the areas that you want to be executing from, always refer. I would never go anything lower than a 15-minute. I would never go anything lower than a 15-minute. Savvy, you keep losing connection? Oh no, don't tell me that. Don't say that. We've had the stream go down on us a few times recently. And we're expecting, guys, just a heads up, we are expecting storms here tonight. Right now it's sunny outside. But we are expecting more severe thunderstorms. All good there too? Okay. So it's... Savvy, just try to reload the stream. You hear thunder, Savvy? Okay. All right. Whew. I don't... Yeah, it's sunny here right now, but... we are expecting storms overnight. Mason, are you expecting any storm? Kyle's worried about the marbles race. Kyle is only worried. He's not worried about the stream so much. He's worried about the marbles race. Oh, guys, smash that thumbs up button for me. How'd you guys trade today? Let me know in the chat. How'd you guys do? How'd you handle the volatility? The up and down, the back and forth? I mean, luckily you had some... It was straight up and straight down, kind of, with some bounces in there. I don't know how you would hold a position from the top through some of those bounces. That would be really difficult for me to do. Gray Horse. New York sessions, your overnight time. Honestly, the best trading, not so much last night, but recently a lot of the best, the prime session to trade has been London session. Judging by when I wake up and look at the charts, it typically trends a little bit better than the other sessions do. Romeo, you locked out after Asia? Nice. Corey, you got smoked today? Oh, no. I'm sorry, brother. We've all been there. We've all been there. In this volatility, you know, if you're not trading really small size and having proper risk management and giving trades room to breathe, you're probably... A lot of people are getting smoked right now. So this is kind of what I'd like to see. I'd kind of like to see Ended up the day 953 on an eval. Nice, Dale. That had to feel good. I kind of want to see this. Oh, a little bit too big of a line there. All right, I kind of want to see this kind of action where we wick up to like, say, like 675 and then get that reaction, retest the 660 and hold below for the move. I think the only way I'm going to be looking for a long today is if this is the move first and then we get a reclaim back inside the first big move that we saw here at like the 560s for the move back up. The only other trade that I would see is if this thing just rocket shipped up and then came back and was holding above 680. And then we'd be looking for the move. But this is what I'm hoping for. Like, this would be 1A. This would be 1B. And then this would be the, oh gosh, here it comes, the pump back to 30K. Right? Nims, can we draw the move we want now? Oh no, Nims. This is what Nims wants, guys. This right here is what Nims wants. Hold on. And I'm going to let you know, if this move ever happens, and I mean ever, we will never hear the end of it. He will be asking to come on stream, on camera, gloating forever. All right, here's what Nims wants. All in one day. That's what he's hoping for. Oh, Savvy, I know. I want to... well, yeah, Chris, obviously, Casper, that would be 30%. It's pretty close right now. Third breaker would come in... I can't remember when the third breaker trigger is. Is it at like 18%? I don't know what the percentage move would be. I mean, that would be roughly a 30% move. Right? It'd be, what, like... It'd be about 10,000 points right now. A little over. Casual, Kyle. Yeah, it's casual, all right. Crack me up. Sorry, guys. Screenshotting something real quick. Thoughts on getting only access to Trump tweets? Yeah, Nims, it's crazy. It's crazy what goes on. It's crazy that they get away with what they do sometimes, without a doubt. But they're also the ones that make the rules. So what are we? What can we do? Legitimately, what can we do? I mean, we're still just chilling right now, guys. Need price a little bit higher, and then we can start looking for those shorts. Not sure that we get it right now, but we're going to be patient tonight. You know, we're getting really close to that buffer on this account. We don't want to take any kind of big loss. And I would have to give that trade almost 50 points, 60 points of breathing room. So I'm not willing to put on even a starter position yet. If we get up around 650, I would be willing to try a starter position from there, because I could justify having my stop at 690 and only risking that 40 points. But where we're at right now, I just can't do it. Savvy, it's a Lucid. It's a Lucid 25K Pro account is what we're on. Lucid 25K Pro. Speaking of which, if any of you haven't traded with My Funded Futures and want to be a part of that My Funded Futures loyalty program, where you earn points for, you know, big discounts on your evaluations and stuff like that, let me know. I've got a couple invite links that I can give to you if you haven't tried My Funded Futures before. So just DM me and I can send you those invite links, and then you can be a part of that My Funded Club, the loyalty program. It's kind of similar to what Take Profit Trader does with their wallets, where when you purchase evals, you earn points towards whatever. You got a 50K Pro funded account, Savvy, on 50K Pro on Lucid? Honestly, the 50K My Funded Futures Pro accounts are pretty sweet deal. They're a pretty sweet deal. I don't know if you guys have looked at them, but once you're funded, there's very little rules on those things. Like, no rules, actually. It is the most free trading you could possibly have. Obviously, with drawdown, still end of day, but extremely flexible accounts. Hey, what's up, M Brown? How are you? All right, so the 21 and 9 are still defending. I'm hoping that this is the bounce that we get up in here. And then what I'm going to be looking for is I'll probably bounce back over to the 5-minute. Actually, I'll probably watch the 15-minute. And then what I'll want to see is actually a candle closer back inside, back below this box that you see. And that's when I will, that's probably when I'll look to execute the short. So my short probably won't come in until price is back below 640. Actually, let me adjust this. Let's go something like that. You used code Wes with My Fun and Futures twice this week. Oh, thanks, Kyle. Appreciate you. Yeah, guys. Obviously, I appreciate it when you use code Wes. With any of the props. I mean, Take Profit Traders, what, 50% off now? That's their biggest sale I've seen since I've been trading. No activation fee on their accounts right now. I think the 25Ks are $75. The 50Ks are $85 right now with Take Profit Trader. Lucid accounts, their biggest deal right now is on their Lucid dailies, the daily accounts. Tradeify has their, I think, 40% off for 5 purchases. They all got really good deals going on right now. Gotta stop, sell 10 micros, Casper. Oh, Casper's getting ready to load it up. He's getting ready to load it up. What are you looking for, Casper? 75 points again? Corey, my favorite, I trade the 50Ks myself, typically. I traded this 25K because it was a content idea. You know, the smaller accounts. And like, if you're a beginning trader, this is what you should be doing and how you should approach it. But I typically go with the 50Ks. Corey, am I a full-time? Yeah, this is what I do for a living. This year has been a little bit tougher. I'm not a millionaire. I say this every stream, and I know you guys have heard it a lot. But when people ask, I feel like I need to repeat this. I'm not one of these multi-millionaire traders. No, I don't copy trade my accounts. I trade them all individually. I don't have a ton of accounts. I take things extremely, extremely slow. I'm low 6 figures annually. This year, it's a little bit less than that. I usually like to keep around 4 or 5. When I start expanding beyond that, because I don't copy trade, it becomes a lot to manage. You know, because I have a personal account too that I trade. So I don't trade my personal account every day. I trade that very seldomly. It's basically at like major inflection points on the market, and then I'll get into the swing position on my personal. But I normally like to keep it, you know, around 5 accounts. I found that when I get more than that, I ignore accounts. I trade. I'll have to go in once a week and flip micro contracts on just to keep them active, which is not ideal. So 5, I think, is the sweet spot for me. You're getting like a pretty good rotation on them where you're getting a payout generally. Last month, not so much, but prior to the last couple months, I was getting taking a payout a week. It felt like a payout, or sometimes 2. Last month though, I only got 1 payout. Yeah, Corey, just slow it down. Just slow it down. Like, until you've proven that you can hold on to 1 account, there's really no reason to expand beyond that, right? Why lose all that money? Like, just get one account going, and then if you start realizing that your strategy's good and your risk management is appropriate, then think about expanding. But I would still trade them separately up to a certain point. I know that's not what most streamers preach. They want the copy trading 30 accounts. They want all that stuff, right? I can't condone that, right? Unless you are like we've said, unless you're making 20K, 30K a month on your affiliates and can afford to rinse through accounts, don't go that route. Like, most of us can't afford to spend 4 or 5K a month on evaluations, you know. Yeah, most of us can't do that. And that's really what you're seeing. Whether they want to say it or not. You can look at the price action and realize how tough it's been for you. It's every bit as tough for them, right? They just have the ability. A lot of them have the ability to yeah, you notice the candlestick color, Odie? Yeah. They just have the ability to have a lot of free accounts and giveaways in a lot of cases, and B, they have affiliate money coming in that's 5 figures a month plus in most cases. We don't have that ability. We don't have that ability. So they can justify spending 4K a month on evaluations. We can't do that. But yeah, it's nice. If you trade your 50Ks separately, that basically gives you, if you have 2 accounts, that gives you $4,000 of drawdown for the day. Right? That's how I justify it. And just have hard daily loss limits that aren't what the props designate as your daily loss limit. Right? Like, if you say you lose $400 or $500, shut it down for the day on that account and go to a different account. Like, spread your risk out. Keep the accounts alive. Live to trade another day, so to speak. Like, even if it takes you a couple months to get to payout, that's still better than going through five evaluations and spending, $600-700 on accounts throughout the month. Oh, Corey, I'll be honest with you. What do I like to spend at the charts? I mean, obviously we stream for 2-3 hours every night, but my best days are when I am at the charts for an hour. Those are my best trading days. Hands down. When I'm at the charts for, 9:30 to 10:30 and I'm done trading already and I've caught the majority of the move, unless it's like a really big trend day where you're holding on for 3 or 4 hours, when I am done by 10:30 a.m. Eastern, I know it's been a good day. In the beginning, I was probably much like a lot of you, where you're at your charts for 12, 13 hours a day. That just becomes too much. You got to take breaks. You got to recenter yourself. You'll lose focus. It's hard to stay locked in for that long a period of time. Extremely difficult. Hey, what's up, Sinister? How are you? Yeah, like I said, guys, we are going to give away a 25K Lucid Pro test account this evening on stream. So if you're interested in participating in the marbles race a little bit later, stick around. Hey, what's up, Faye? We're just waiting for price to get a little bit higher so that we can catch a read. Hopefully, dip above this swing high is what I would like to see, and then the sell to come in. And we can ride it down to, we'll ride it probably back to central pivot here at 550. Ms. Rain, the only way from where we are currently that I like the longs is if we get a move like this, where price aggressively pushes up to 700, pulls back into this area, and holds somewhere above. Then I would consider taking a long from there. But right now, I'm kind of anticipating this kind of action. where short here, stop where that long entry would be. That's what I'm seeing right now. Ms. Rain, this is the 5 minute right now that we're looking at. This is the 5 minute. I'll flip over to the 1 minute. This is the 15. Yep, this is the 15. And then if I click on a chart down here, this is the hourly. You think we're going to go to 900 tonight, Brain? Yeah, I mean, we'll see. DeMonte, you just accidentally bought 15 minis instead of micros and made 7,800. Oh, we like those kind of mistakes. We like the $8,000 plus mistakes. Though that's nice. Hey, what's up, Tris? Welcome, everybody. That's just getting to their desk, just tuning in. We got about 60 people in the stream right now. I hope you guys traded well today. Like I said, we're trading that same 25K Lucid Pro funded account that we've been trading for the better part of a month now. I traded it today during RTH just so that you people that are just tuning in know. We're getting close to the buffer on this finally. I've only been able to trade one MNQ, but we're getting to the point now where if you look in the upper right, we're pretty close to that buffer balance after the trading session today. Once we get to about 1,500 on this, I'll probably go up to 2 micros and we'll start sizing up a little bit. Yeah, DeMonte. I mean, you could tell what was happening, right? Like you could see it. Just knowing how NQ likes to move, you end up starting getting that expanding range look, and it's no fun. The only thing that's a little scary right now on the shorts, and I think Brain has a good point here, guys. So if you look at the hourly, you actually have, if you guys know anything about like candle range theory or anything like that, you technically have a CRT down here on the hourly, right? Like I see what I think what he's seeing. Hey, Grind in the Moment, how are ya? Been a wild journey. Yeah, trading's tough. Oh, I'm good, Grind. I'm good. I'm good. NQ looking like it's getting brain. We'll see. I don't mind the move to 900, but like I said, in order for me to get on the long at this point, I'm going to need to start seeing that stair-step pattern. So we want to see that test of 700. We want to see the pullback, and we want to see buyers defend these highs is what we would like to see. And then I would be okay hopping on the long. Right now, the risk to reward is just not there. It was an accident, all in sim funded account. Payout confirmed, just need 5 more days. Nice. Yeah, Grind. Just take your time. Take your time, brother. I know that's tough to... I know when you get there, right, and you get to that live and then something bad happens, right, and you lose it. That's psychologically, that's extremely damaging. I understand that. A little demoralizing. You feel like it's a huge setback, but you got there. You did it once. You can do it again. Doreen, your husband didn't close out last night on gold. He came back to his computer this morning and he was 1,400 up. Oh, that's like, I mean, you guys are making great mistakes. When I do that kind of stuff, I end up with rinsed accounts or a massive loss, a huge loss. I don't think that ever works out. Those mistakes ever work out in my favor. All right, guys, we're at that 640 area. 30 points higher, and I start to get interested. 30 points higher, and I start to get interested. You turned your sim account into 1 million from 50K. It's funny how everybody always says that, like their paper trading accounts, the sim accounts, they're like trading so easy when you're on the sim, right? Yeah, Tim, it's done. Tim, it's done. The kitchen is done. You got screwed by Quantower's flat and all button? What happened? Nim's kitchen picks, please. I don't know if I took any. I don't know if I took any, actually. Let me see. Let me take a look. I'm looking right now, Nims. Only kitchens. What do you want me to do? You want me to leave the stream, Nims, and go run down and take some pictures real quick? Is that what you want me to do? Oh, 100% brain. Yeah, OPEX is just volatility. Because they're trying to roll their contracts. So, and because they can't get that amount of size filled, they're just ping-ponging price back and forth so that they can get the price that they want filled. So yeah, I get it. Leave the stream so the price action. Yeah, you want me just to take off so that you guys can get some movement? Actually, you had a nice pump off the open. You had some decent movement. Bobby booked a loss on the Top Step account. Yeah, guys, you really, if you're not executing from the extremes right now, and which is tough to define, I know, because it is so volatile, especially this week, it can be really, really tough. Just the whipping back and forth. Like I watched price a little bit this afternoon, and the movement between like 570 and 480 was tough to figure out because it looked so aggressive on the down, but then the pumps back up were kind of slow, grindy, and then randomly you'd get a 30-point spike or 20-point spike. That's tough to deal with. So I understand if you're struggling completely. A lot of traders sit out OPEX week. They just take that whole week off. Same thing with contract rollovers. Like rollover week. Just a little bit higher. Just a little bit higher and I can start to get interested. Yeah, Nims. Oh, the kitchen looks good, Nims. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm happy the way that it turned out. Oh, no. All right, no, guys. Stop. Stop with no more. No. No. Yeah. Brain, we'll see. Like I said, if it's gonna be a long for me, I'm gonna have to see that move up to 700, probably the pullback into 680, and for price to hold, you know, that 660 to 680 area. But it's moving pretty good, huh? Nice pumps. Nice pumps. If you'd paid, you got early access to this tweet. Yeah, Brain, I mean, I think on the longs, like I said, we want to see that a nice strong push above 700. The pullback to basically where it is right now. Conversely, if this 15-minute candle closes back inside, back below 640, I'm going to be looking for a short at that point. Yeah, Grind, you can DM me. Obviously, I won't be able to do much right now midstream, but I'll definitely respond when I get some time, for sure. You can, yeah, just shoot me a DM. No, names. You know I'll respond. All right, that's a solid rejection there from 680. It's going to be tough. If we don't get this candle closure, I'm going to wait for this 15-minute candle close over here. We've still got about 10 minutes. And like I said, if we get that close, If we get that close below 640, I'm thinking of taking a short and targeting this swing low down to 480. We'll have to decide somewhere around this 550 area if price is going to bounce back up and test 600. I'm not going to hold through a 50-point retracement on that short. But that's kind of what I want to see right now. It's a nice big bearish wick on this candle. Let's see if we've got any interest to the downside. Yeah, back down at 29.4. So got like 180 orders sitting here back towards 29.4. Let's see what we got to the top side. Nims, what's the music? I don't know. I just clicked on a playlist. It's like a hip-hop playlist. Brain fake rejections. Moon is coming. We'll see. Like I said, Brain, for me to get on a long at this point, I need to see that spike back up and price to hold above this swing high is what I need to see. And really, you're not really bullish till price is back above this, to be fair. The music is hilarious. Is it that bad, guys? I don't hear it. I don't hear it. Well, how bad is it? I don't hear it at all. Let's see. Why didn't I just buy mRNA calls last night? Just imagine a trading version of WAP. Nibs, is it that bad? Is the music that bad? Hey, you guys got me concerned. Got me concerned. You got me really concerned. I need to start. I guess I should start listening to what I'm playing on the stream, huh? Because it's just quiet in this room. I actually don't hear the tracks. I just click on a playlist and that's it. I don't even pay attention to it. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go hard rock. Let's go hard rock. How does that sound? Do I want hard? What do we want to listen to, guys? What's the mood that you want? It was just the last track that was bad? Yeah, Nims, I make you suffer. That's right. That's right. I mean, I could turn on some Disney music if you want. We could turn on some polka music. You want some reggae, Tulia? Well, let's see. Is there a reggae? Is there a reggae genre? There is. There's reggae. There's dancehall, there's dub, or there's ska. Which would you prefer? Actually, here, I'll just go with the full reggae list. You guys will have to let me know. You'll have to let me know how it is, because I haven't listened to this at all. I have no idea what's about to happen. No clue what's about to happen. All right, 4 minutes. If we get a candle closure back below 640, I'm probably going to try this short. And we will be targeting like 560, so it will be, you know, 90 to 100 points. But it's got to close back below 640. Otherwise, I think Brain might be right. I think we might be moving higher. Good to have dreams, not tonight. All right, Brain. Shabnam's holding your long trade. Yeah, I feel like a lot of you are definitely bullish. I mean, the hourly looks good for a move up, for sure. For sure. The hourly definitely looks bullish right now. And you're right. I think, you know, this area looks really interesting. All right, I don't think we're going to get that close that I wanted to see. Maybe we get some fireworks here in the next minute or so. In fact, give me 1 second, guys. All right, are we going to do it? Nope, it doesn't look like it. Got 20 seconds to get below 640. Otherwise, it's probably long and strong. Okay, why is price not moving now all of a sudden? Guys, wake up the market. Come on. Someone make a call. What's going on? Someone get on the line. Rotund. Oh, man. You're going long at 650, DeMonte? Okay. You just have to, you got to make that same, you got to put, what, 15 minis? You got to put 15 minis on? Going long 652, target 653. Hey, what's up, Phoenix? Wow, I got Nims and Phoenix on the same night? Wow, this is highly unusual tonight. You're trading with 5 micros? Okay. back to normal. I mean, that definitely gives you a nice cushion, huh? I mean, on the 5 minute, let's see what we got going on. Why is this not? Why am I unable? Okay, there we go. I mean, I don't really see much. What do we have over here? Okay, so some downside, some downside. Rejections, rejections, support, support. Made good profit today on gold. Nice. Yeah, Doreen, this is, we're stuck. We're pinned. Hey, what's up, Chizard? How are you? Yeah, we're definitely pinned right now. Yeah, gold made a... Wow, gold actually made a great move today, huh? Nice surge all the way up to almost 4,600. So a $200 move almost on gold. That's real nice. Yeah, Brain, those Korean markets. I mean, Oh, crazy. You want to talk about untradeable. All right, come on. Show us the move. Yeah, I think you're right. I think we might have to wait here another 25 minutes or so. Yeah, there's nothing to do right here. Nothing to do. Mora, one strong upside push is required. Are you long, Mora? We'll see. We will see. You're not asking for much. Just 29K massive. Massive's looking for a 700 point move to the downside. I mean, we probably have some volume here, 630 to 640. Like I said, I like the shorts below 640. If we can get a you know, that 15-minute candle close below 640, I don't mind the shorts. But we have to get that candle closure below 640. In fact, I'll go ahead and put a limit order there. Because if we get there, I have a feeling that the snap down could be somewhat aggressive to the downside. Oh, no, 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 no. That's a mini. We don't want to do that. Oh, Devontae, I almost did the same thing. Almost did the same thing. And then our stop would be something like this. I really wouldn't want to see anything like above that. Yeah, Demonte, that was pretty close, huh? It was pretty close. And honestly, it shouldn't tag me into this trade if the long is in play from this point moving forward. So I think I'm in a good spot for the short play at this point. So we'll let this play out. You know, NQ tapped the 0.5% up on the session. ES looks somewhat bullish, but not, I mean, it's not crazy bullish. Yeah, Demonte, that was extremely close. On this account, can't take a $600 loss. I could tell you that right now. That would be this account gone. A month of work on a 25K. 25Ks are tough in this volatility, guys. I will say that. It's very hard to be patient with the 25Ks and the 1 micros. Extremely difficult. Win marbles. Nims. Never. Never Nims. Never happening. You're here for the race, not the account. News, we probably won't do it till later on tonight. We probably won't do the race till later on. It's typically one of the last things that we do. It's typically one of the last things that we do. I'm not excluding you from the race. You can stay up till 3 a.m. if you want. I mean, Mason's doing it. He lives across the pond as well. You probably won't be here for the race, Nims. I'm not excluding you from the race. You're more than welcome to hang out and chum it up with the chat and myself. Nobody's stopping you. Guys, Nims right now sounds like one of the people that randomly comes in the stream. Win giveaway. Wins the giveaway. And that's the only thing they type in the chat. Wins giveaway. Wins the marbles race, bruh. But I'd give away the account I wanted to give away. Yeah, but Nims, we are extremely limited on the accounts that we have currently. I can't just run giveaways all the time. And it definitely can't turn into, I mean, we are a trading stream after all, right? Can't just turn into marbles on stream all the time. Or maybe we could, guys. Maybe my channel would actually benefit greatly if all I did was marbles Maybe we should just run marbles races all the time. Show no charts, no trading, just marbles races. Think big, Wes. Yeah, we just do marbles races. Just constant marbles races. Mason would hate me. Mason would absolutely hate me. All right, looks like it's running away. So let's go ahead and take that order off for now. Degenerate. I'm gonna get carpal tunnel. Everybody's spamming in the one. Everybody's trying to make that marble go faster. Yeah. Just only marbles races on stream. All of a sudden we're a gaming channel instead of a trading stream. Thumbnails and everything remain the same, but all we do is run marbles races. All of a sudden the prop firms tune into the streams and they're like, yo, so any trading going on at all? What's happening here? Marble grease for sale, yeah. Oh, nice, be grateful. Nice. Price starting to get a little bit jumpy, guys. Price is starting to get a little bit jumpy. Yeah, 480's great tonight, for sure. 48 marbles for the next race. Yeah, I know, Brain. That's why I'm hesitant to even put that order back on. I still like the shorts if price can get back below 640, but I kind of want to see a 15-minute candle closure do it, not just price to snap below 640. You know, I kind of want the candle closure down here. Because right now, all you got is a little sweep of this low. And we're still just kind of stair-stepping up. So structurally, it doesn't look great on the short side until we get that close below 640. Waiting for Tokyo to open. Yeah, I mean that's the smart thing to do. Price can't decide what it wants to do right now. We're just stuck here 650 to 640 to 660 really. Just kind of pinned. Yeah, Brain, that's kind of where I'm leaning. It's kind of where I'm leaning. But you know, the downside has been pretty aggressive. You know, and overall the month of August has been, I mean, this is August. This is August right here. So this month, I would assume options, you know, expirations want higher prices. So we are definitely bullish this month. I mean, daily 20's playing catch up right now. We didn't quite get to it. We peaked below the daily 50. Dude, be careful in a position. Be careful here for the next like 25 minutes while these Asian markets open up. Guys, I had grilled cheese and tomato soup for dinner tonight. If you've never had grilled cheese and tomato soup, hey, Joel. You're going to full port right now? All right, have at it, Joel. How you doing, you beautiful British man, you? Joel, we were talking about turning my channel into a gaming channel instead of a trading channel. Strictly running marbles races all the time. I'm good, Joel. I'm good. We're still grinding this 25K Lucid Pro funded account on stream. I'm trying to just trade it on stream, but whenever I stream, the market goes sideways forever. So it's been a slow grind on it, but we're getting there. We're almost, if you look in the upper right, we're almost past the buffer on this 25K Pro. 1 MNQ only. 1 MNQ only, but this is day like 24 trading on this. So it's been a slow grind. A slow grind on this. These 25Ks are tough right now. No, Izzy. I've had it all the time. I was saying if people haven't, I got sidetracked. Joel showed up. I've had grilled cheese tomato soup, but if you haven't had grilled cheese and tomato soup, like Mason had never heard of it, and I told him about it, and he made it up one day, and he was shocked because he thought it sounded disgusting, and I was like, no, I'm telling you, it will change your life. It will change your life. And now he definitely agrees. I think it's an American thing. I think grilled cheese and tomato soup is an American thing. Perfect. You're a big marble fan, Joel. Just turn it into a straight marbles on stream. Just marbles races all the time. No trading. Just marbles races. Guys, like I said, a lot of people are tuning out right now because the market's going sideways once again. But we are going to give away a 25K Lucid Pro test account a little bit later. Marbles race. So stick around. Made 360 today or minus 3, lost 360. New channel idea, 24-hour marble stream, Kyle. Could you imagine trying to stream for that long? On MES? MES, let me take a look real quick and see what ES is looking like. Let's go to a little bit higher time frame. Let's go to like a 30-minute chart. Oh, you're kind of at that breaking spot on ES right now, too. So you're kind of at that decision point. I think if we reject this area anywhere from, let's see, what are we looking at? Really anywhere from 740 to 745-ish. You're looking for shorts. I think if you get a hold above that 745 area, we'll say 77.50. It's probably a long from there. So we're kind of at that level right now. You got bounces from here, a few of them. You've got possible rejections from that area too. You make homemade tomato soup, Doreen? Okay, that's got to be good. Mine was just Campbell's. I'm not gonna lie. Mine was straight out of the can. Just heat it up. Could you imagine 24-hour marble stream? They do have a lot of races. There is a lot of tracks. I can say that confidently. Some of them are wild because some of the, like, a lot of them are user made. A lot of them are made by people that that play the game on Steam. So a lot of them just make no sense. It's kind of like, I don't know if you guys have ever played Tiger Woods Golf and you design your own course or whatever. It's kind of like that. Oh, come on, Naz. Don't just make one move to the top side and then die on us. Doug, I haven't looked at bonds. I know they were flying around today from what I heard, but I haven't looked at any bonds. Yeah, Doreen, I think we're waiting on the... Hey, what's up, Martin? I think we're just waiting on the Asia markets to open up. You've got Tokyo at 8 p.m. Eastern. And then we should have a little bit of volatility. There should be like a little bit. Yeah, Martin, I saw your post in Discord this morning. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, those days are tough. Oh, dang. Minus 2K, Martin? Oh, I thought it was only 1K. Yeah, that's tough. that's soul crushing for sure. During London session? Did you get chopped up that bad during London session? I saw that London kind of just did the same thing as the Asia session did. Yeah, that's true, Brain. That's very true. We just aren't getting the move to the downside right now at all. Oh gosh, guys. We were actually, last night, we were 12 subscribers away at the end of the stream from 8.8K. We've actually lost 4 subs and picked up none tonight. Nobody's tuned in. I have a feeling traders are getting absolutely rinsed over this summer. Absolutely just rinsed. Yeah, Doreen, I think a lot of people are giving up, saying there's no chance that I can do this. There's no chance. I don't blame them. If you started trading this year at any point during the year past, you know, March, really, it's been tough. Even though April to end of May was straight up, that's tough trading. That's tough to trade. It's extremely difficult to get on board with that much upside. And if you don't really know risk management, or you don't have a real defined strategy, you could definitely get absolutely rinsed if you're just clicking buttons all over the place. You know, especially all of us know what the first thing that people come across when they start trading is probably some MACD or RSI in combination with VWAP or EMA crossovers. You know, if you're trading anything like that, you're probably just getting absolutely rinsed. Just absolutely rinsed. If you don't have a lot of practice and you don't know what you're looking for. But thanks for hanging out tonight, guys. We got almost 80 people watching right now in the combination between YouTube and Kick. If you haven't followed on Kick yet, give me a follow on Kick if you could. We're trying to build up that following over on Kick. Guys, we are looking at soon streaming vertically on TikTok too. So stay tuned. We will be creating a TikTok channel to post shorts and other forms of content on that channel. So we are starting to expand into different platforms. We're going to give them all a shot. We have been told by numerous sources at this point that really we need to be on TikTok. Like, it needs to happen. We think that the requirement is having 1,000 followers on TikTok. I'm not sure how we're going to get there. I have no idea. But we are trying to branch out a little bit. You guys have probably noticed a lot of changes on stream too. What about LinkedIn? LinkedIn. All right, true double top once again. This is we're at this spot where you can't get long, you can't get short. It's kind of right in the middle of the two areas where you could potentially find a good entry. I guess we're waiting for Tokyo Open here in about 10 minutes. Martin, this is the kind of PA you got apps. Oh, trying to, price looks like it's going to pump, and so you get long at the top, and then price reverses on you. Yeah, I get that. I mean, the 5 minute looks gross. It looks prime. It looks like we're squeezing up into that level, which generally means an explosion to the top side at some point. But if you look at the 15-minute, it's starting to look a little rolly after wicking this high. So I'm kind of conflicted. You know, the hourly actually looks the cleanest right now. Right? You got the hourly wick, you got the move up, you got the retest of this low, and the pump off of that 500 psych level. $10K followers, Doreen? Yeah, I think it's like 1,000 to live stream on TikTok. I can't remember. I think you need 1,000 followers on TikTok in order to live stream. I could be wrong though. There might be loopholes, ways to get around it. It's 10K? We don't even have 10K subs on YouTube. I don't know how we're going to get to 10K on TikTok. I've heard it's easier to grow on TikTok, though, than it is on... You fixed my stream card in the Discord? Wait, what? What do you mean you fixed my stream card in the Discord? What are we talking about here? Oh, jeez. Rotund. Come on, man. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm not gonna live that one down, Mason. That one should be clipped. If Nims was here for that, I can't even imagine. I can't even imagine. I know that clip is gonna show up throughout the rest of my streaming journey, without a doubt. Without a doubt, that clip will live on forever, unfortunately. That took you 2 hours. No, really? I don't even know if I could show that. I'll be honest with you. I don't even know if I could show that. All right. Here's that 640 level, guys. We might... Man, that's really tough with this happening right before. Faye, do I ever use tick? I don't personally use tick charts. A lot of people do, though. A lot of like my trading buddies use tick charts. Oh, Warriors love. Yeah, we can all say that. I mean, how many times have you guys placed an order and thought, man, I should have just not watched price action. I should have just walked away. I should have just walked away and I'd have been fine. Yeah, Faye, a lot of people have different... Like, a lot of people use tick charts. Some people use Ranko charts. Oh, Doreen, to monetize on TikTok. Yeah, I don't know what to monetize is. 10K followers on TikTok is what gets you monetized. I'm not so much worried about that. I know that's probably not going to happen. I don't even know what kind of... You know, like what kind of following the trading niche gets on TikTok. From what I've seen on TikTok, it's a lot of the ICT young guys on TikTok that are streaming there. Hey, what's up, Elevated? How are ya? But we're going to give it a shot. We'll see what happens. It can't hurt to try, right? Hey, what's up, Nostradamus? How are ya? Guys, if you're just tuning in, we are doing a 25K Lucid Pro test account giveaway tonight on stream. So stick around if you'd like your opportunity to win. We will be running a marbles race. We're just kind of waiting for the Tokyo Open here to see what happens. I like shorts on holds below 640 as this 15-minute candle closes. But it's got to hold below 640. Ideally below VWAP would be my preference. And then I'll probably go stop at like 660. Hey, what's up, Miss K? You've been here the whole time, Miss K? You haven't said a word. Where you been? Synchronized dancing on TikTok, Martin. That's not going to happen. Guys, we will do a Mason face reveal soon for you. I promise. I will force Mason to get on stream and say hello to all of you so you can see the babyface Brit. Obviously, the OGs have seen him before. He has been on streams before, but a lot of you haven't seen him recently because I'm pretty sure the streams that he was on have been removed from our channel at this point, or hidden or private. But he has been on before. You guys will all get to see his face. You'll get to put a face to the name. He might have to go down to the river a few times to get his water for the stream, but you will all get to see Mason's face. Hey, what's up, Zen? Oh, Miss K, you've been here the whole time reading the ideas? You didn't chime in at all, Miss K? You will be hosting a London stream, New York afternoon stream. Sound familiar? Yeah. We have to start streaming 24 hours a day, guys. If we're going to compete with everybody else in the space, we're going to have to stream 24 hours a day. So, hey, what's up, Khan? How are you? Welcome. All right, watching this 15-minute candle closure, guys. That's kind of what I'm looking at. I'm going to probably wait after the Tokyo Open, but if we can get a nice close below, I don't hate the shorts. It's looking decent. Oh, come on. No, don't run away. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come back up. Come back up. Oh, cheers, Nostradamus. Yeah, I mean, we don't sell any courses or mentorships. We were working on some trading tools for a little while, but ran into some, like, we couldn't, too many bugs. Couldn't release it to the public and feel good about it. So we kind of have paused it. They're still working on it, but we had to, like, put a pause on it for a while. They're not public ready. Just too buggy, too many issues, running into a lot of roadblocks and hurdles along the way. To do it the right way, you know. No, run to the downside. It would be long from here? I don't know. No, what? Come on, man. Why do you make me decide that I have to YOLO at Tokyo Open? Come back up. Nice. Nice, Miss K. Then I popped up as YouTube features. Yeah, the YouTube featured thing is kind of weird. I'm not sure how that all works. I don't really put too much into it. Come on, pop back up to like give us a VWAP retest. Come on, man. Why does it have to do that right before Tokyo Open? Why does it force you a minute before Tokyo Open to get in? You have to be on for 30 days for TikTok. And some apply for the live with under 1,000K and get approved. Yeah, Doreen, I don't know how it all works. I guess we're about to find out. Come on, man. Should have just left my limit order there, guys, and accepted it. Brutal. Can we get a VWAP retest at least? You thought it was the algos pushing the channel? No, Zen. Like the YouTube featured, it shows up for people that you're subscribed to, generally. No, Roton. We want a move back to the top side. We want something. Give us the entry. Like, don't do that a minute before Tokyo Open and just continue. So that you have to blind trade the Tokyo Open. I don't like when they do that. I don't like when price does that. When the algos kick in, you know, a minute or two before a market open. That's really tough to deal with. Oh, nice, Bob. Yeah, anybody who caught that, GG's. Yeah, Chris, I mean, the move a couple minutes before Tokyo Open, the aggressive move right before Tokyo Open, and then the continued flush, that's tough to deal with. Because you're just blind faithing the move at that point. You're blind faithing the move. All right, guys, I'm going to try the long from here. I like the hold at 600. I like the push back up. I'm going to probably have to give it a little bit of room. Probably back down below 580. And then we're going to target new highs. We're going to target like, let's see, what do I have levels-wise up here? 721 is that pivot. I like at least to that pivot. No, Zen, I'm not going to. We'll just take the $100 loss if we're gonna, if that's what the move is. We'll take the $100 loss and because I think this would be worth it. I missed the trade that I really wanted. Need to write a sternly worded letter. Oh, nice, Maritimes. Yeah, we'll see what happens below this low. Like, that's really the line. So I'm not too concerned just yet, but... Still holding 2 MQ short? Nice. Man, aggressive downside. Won't last long? Oh, you mean the downside won't last long? Yeah, I just can't. I don't want to give back any more than that, than where I'm at. Like, I'm going to have to take the stop out on the wick below there. Because I really want this area to hold. Yeah, Doug, I mean, initially I liked the shorts. Had I had the short from 640, I would have been fine. You know, I would have already been out. I would have already been pretty much to take profit. But it just never... that move right before Tokyo Open kind of threw me all off. I don't like when that happens. I hate when that happens. Yo, because this is a 25K account. That would be breaking my rules. Yes, ideally you would like to bring your average entry down. But that's entirely out of the realm of what you should do on a 25K prop account. That's under $1,000 balance. That's just way over leveraged. Way over leveraged. Nice, Tim. Yeah, any of you that caught that short below 640, really anywhere. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens when we retest that 610 area. That's going to be really like kind of the line in the sand is that 610. If price can get back above 610, the run to 630 and VWAP makes a lot of sense. We'll see. Hey, what's up, Joey? No, I don't really scalp. I don't really scalp at all. That's not my forte. I mean, technically we all scalp. If we're day trading, we're scalping. Right, but I generally hold if I don't anticipate or see, you know, a 50, 60 point move, I generally don't get into the trade. All right, Chris. Don't go on tilt. Don't go on tilt. Yeah, I generally am targeting level to level for the most part. Obviously, we've got a level in here. It's just not a real big significant level for me here around 600. 610 to 630 is obviously going to be, you know, we've got a lot of points of control from prior days sitting right there. So there's going to be some volume built up in here, but it is looking very bullish. You know, you look down here, you've got an hourly sweep low. Any of you know about candle range theory. This is looking like a bullish turn to the top side back up towards 800, 900 to me. And with the month of August and it being options expiration, I'm leaning towards, you know, the market going back higher after all of August being bullish. You know, we bounced the daily 50 SMA. A move back up to here makes a lot of sense. Back above today's high. And then we'll find out if the sellers are really convicted or not. What's up, Ethan? Oh, nice, Ethan. Nice to bring it back. All right, nice pumps. Get back above that 640 level that we were talking about, and I think we should have a pretty strong move to new highs. Now I'm in that spot, though, where, like, I should probably go break even. There we go. Nice move. Nice move. Nice move. All right, let's see if we can make that run to new highs. Gonna be watching just above this double top high. If price gets up there, I'm hoping we don't get some slam back down to VWAP from this 660 area, which it definitely could. Sir, you can go long. I've been long for a while. I should do a market structure course, Bobby. Just tune into the live streams. I mean, we're at that spot right now that's that sticking point. We need price to push aggressively through this 660 area. Take out these highs. I'd prefer it to do it right now. You'd have that 3-candle continuation play. Just my entry's not good enough to give it all the way back. I would have to give back almost all the way to my entry. I'd have to go true break even and give back profits. Dylan Moss, you can join our Discord. It's free. It's called Level Up. There's a link in the description down below the video, or Mason actually just put in the the Discord link in chat. Hey, what's up, Alexander? How are you? How many people we got in here right now? We're approaching 100 people in this stream right now. Guys, if you haven't yet, smash that thumbs up button for me if you could. We're going to do the giveaway here shortly. 25K Lucid Pro going to be on the line. Marbles race. So stick around. You guys can kind of see we're putting in a lot of volume right here at 660. We really need buyers to push. Otherwise, we could fall right back to my entry. And I'm not willing to give it all the way back to break even after taking the drawdown that I did on this trade. Really struggling at 660. Come on, somebody make a call again. Pump it up. Get through there. All right. Now follow through. Yeah, Zen, pump it up. Come on. Let's do it. Let's go. No, not just the wick. Oh, guys, not great. Let me find a good spot to keep my stop. Follow through. Get through there. Oh, I know. I know. Pretty much anywhere where I have levels drawn, I know is going to be a sticky spot. I said it earlier. I definitely didn't love longs until price was holding above this area, 680 really. Back above this, back above this. Silent edge, see money, take money. True. True. In fact, I probably should reevaluate. I'm going to bring mine to the 9. I don't want to see any nasty pullback. So this needs to bounce that 9 EMA. Otherwise, I'm out. All right. We got trailed out. We are done. All right, Mason. Stomached almost $100 a drawdown on that trade. Came out on top with about $44, which is fine. We are still moving closer to that buffer. So I'm going to try to get there tomorrow and try to have a decent trading day tomorrow on this account. Guys, we're getting really close to being able to request a payout on this thing. So you've seen this account from the start. Everything has been pretty much documented, so we're getting real close. After a month of grinding on a 25K with not making much of anything on it, we're getting closer. Getting closer to getting a payout on the 25K. So, Mason, whenever you're ready, go ahead and open up the marbles registration so we can do this race. All right, guys, entries are now open. You have 4 minutes to type in !marbles on the YouTube live stream. You can only do it on the YouTube live stream. Kick does not recognize the bot commands. So pop on over to the YouTube live stream if you're viewing on Kick and type in !marbles. Once again, 25K Lucid Pro test account on the line. Get your entries in now, guys. Once that 4-minute timer goes down, the registration's closed and we can't manually enter. So get them in. You got a few minutes to do so. All right, happy with my trailing stop. I do think we go higher. I do think we go higher. Eventually, but I'm not going to get back in it tonight. All right, guys, still 2 minutes left on that timer, so get those entries in. Nice. 61 people in the stream and 60 entrants. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. How do we get up around 100 viewers? We get up around 100 viewers and drop 40 of them when we start the marbles entries. Yeah, no, it's good. The participation is good. 1 minute left, guys. If you haven't got those entries in and you're just tuning into the stream, exclamation point marbles in the chat will enter you into the marbles race. Winner will receive a 25K Lucid Pro test account. Once that timer hits 0, entries are closed. Nobody else allowed in. None shall pass. Space game over. Nims. Yeah, I'll get Nims on stream here soon. You guys can you guys can go after Nims. That's right. Nims. All right, entries are now closed for the marbles race, guys. We're going to give Mason a minute or two to get the race set up. You know the routine at this point. When he'll notify me when he's ready, and then we will do this marbles race. $78 people. What other stream are you going to turn into in the trading space where you have a 1 in 78 chance to win an account? Tell me. Tell me. Best odds to win a free account, definitely on my stream currently. Best odds, hands down, in the entire space probably. Nims. Yeah, no, Rotund, that's facts. I have a 0 in 0 chance. I can win the race. I can't claim the account though. For sure. I can't claim the account. But I can win the race. All right, looks like Mason's ready. So give me a second here, guys. Let me get this stream up. All right, I will see you on the other side. All right, we back. We are back. Once again, guys, 25K Lucid Pro test account on the line. Mason, whenever you are ready, drop those marbles. Hopefully we don't go all pixelated here when he does this. For some reason, it's always the beginning of the race that gets all pixelated. All right, down the funnel we go. Spam those ones, guys. Spam those ones in the chat. I'm just a trader out to the early lead with Chizard and K-Trades. Oh, the collision. The absolute head-on collision. Wow. Oh, Leary Doctor getting the boost. Putting a little space. Whoa, what just happened? Nims. Nims, what are you doing, Nims? Nims, did you put on the jetpack? What's happening here? guys. Nims and Leary Doctor. Nims and Leary Doctor. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this. Why is Nims on record pace right now? Come on. Oh, Miss K gets punted. No. All right. Nims doesn't have the lead anymore. Nims got a little slowed up. Oh, no. Yes. Nims does have the lead. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Come on. Come on. Someone catch him. Someone catch this man. Do not let Nims Marble win this race, guys. Don't do it. Don't do it. Someone come and yeet him off the track. Oh, gosh. Why? Yes. Okay, you got slowed up. Come on, Leary Doctor. Come on, Leary Doctor. Yes, Leary Doctor. Jetpack. All right, Nims falling off. Nims is falling off. He's dropped to 7th. Leary Doctor and Ralph Wiggum. Maritime's up there. Deuces. Oh, Nims is falling off. He's falling off the pace. Leary Doctor. Oh, no. Leary Doctor. No. No. Fast Trader, Maritimes. Oh, here comes Maritimes. Oh, here's Nims again. Here's Nims again. Oh, no. Who's it going to be? Chief Pepsi. Chief Pepsi. Can he hoop it? It's Chief Pepsi with the win. Chief Pepsi with the win. What, did Nims get yeeted? What happened to him? All right, Nims got yeeted right at the finish line? All right. Oh, my goodness. All right, Chief Pepsi, congratulations. Obviously, Mason will communicate with you. You can shoot him a DM in Discord, Chief, by the way. Congratulations on the win. Oh, man. Whew. Whew. We would have never heard the end of that one, guys. That would have been that would have been insufferable. Wow, Mason. Wow. Oh, Tim getting absolutely hung up. Everybody getting. All right, so Chief Pepsi, Alien Spotter, Bobby Lee, Naya, Profits, and TPs, Raul. We'll let Mason show everybody where they finished. Nims finished in 14th after all that. Oh, he finished. He didn't get yeeted. Pure bias from the commentator. Oh, Nims, I was like, are you actually kidding me? He shows up to a stream for the first time in forever. Wow, congratulations, Chief. Just shoot Mock a DM on Discord, and we'll get you all squared away. Congratulations. Guys, I'll see you back on the charts. Yeah, it's tough to win. It's tough to win those marbles races. It's tough to win those. For sure. Okay, so it looks like VWAP is getting defended. I would anticipate a move back up to that 660 level at this point. The last thing I want to see is another rejection and another rollover from here. You can see VWAP's kind of flattening out too. I'm not a huge fan of that. Alien Spotter, nothing for second. Yeah, I wish I could give accounts to all of you. I wish we had that many giveaway accounts, for sure. J-Love played around a golf and missed marbles. How'd you shoot? Gross. It's exactly what we don't want to see, guys. This okay. Okay, you have all the EMAs lining up on VWAP now too. Not great. Not great. So you're probably just going to be jumping from volume shelf to volume shelf on these moves. So just be careful, because you're looking at 10, 15 points in between each one of these high volume nodes. And the low volume nodes, there's just not a lot of interest. Three and two match play. Broken dream. Hey Zen, thanks for using code West. I appreciate you. Oh yeah, all you guys that use code West, obviously I appreciate you. It really does help a lot. All right, Maritimes, we'll catch ya. The Matt Deuces, the Matt Leach golden ticket. Yeah, so if you sign up in the club, like when you purchase a My Fund and Futures account, if you get into the club, I think anybody who purchases an account, especially I think if you use my code, you get into the club. If you're concerned about it, you can always reach out to me and I can send you an invite link to that My Funded club. But virtually what it is it's a rewards program. For when you purchase accounts through them, you earn points, and you can use those points towards certain things. The golden ticket is, there's one golden ticket that gets free rapid evals for an entire year for one lucky person. So out of everybody who gets into that club, there is one golden ticket because you receive a pack when you sign up. Generally, it's a discount coupon of some kind, but there is one golden ticket out there that gets free rapid evaluation accounts for an entire year. Could you imagine? Yeah, pretty much, Deuces. I mean, pretty much. That's basically what they're saying. Is one lucky person is going to get paydays. Faye, this just happened within the last day. Faye, if you shoot me a DM on Discord, I can send you an invite link. And you just follow the link, and you still have to purchase an eval. That's the holdup, is you have to purchase an eval in order to get into the club. That is a requirement. You can't just get in and then that's it. You do have to purchase an account. But if you trade with My Fund of Futures, it's worth it. It's worth it. Yeah, you can see. Let's see here. So this is what the one lucky person gets. So buy an eval today to join the club. Uh-oh. It might have already expired, actually. Join before 2 p.m. to qualify for the gold. So it might have already expired. So I think you had to purchase the account before 2 p.m. Eastern today. No chocolate for the golden ticket. But yeah, someone got extremely lucky today. Someone got extremely lucky today. Yeah, Faye, I got you. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Let me get this for you real quick. All right. We got you all squared away. That's good. All right, right back to 660, guys. This looks like we want that. We want higher, but oh, cheers, Faye. Yeah, and then Faye, you should, after you reset your dashboard, after you make that purchase, that should show up on your dashboard. So like there should be a section that shows my funded club. And you should be able to click on that and see everything that's involved with it. I mean, these pullbacks are just nasty. It's tough to hold on to a trade. Like even if you're long from here, Mahmood, nice. You're still holding on to those longs, nice. Even if you're long from here, you're dealing with, I mean, what is that? 50-point pullback? That's tough. I didn't have a good enough entry to do it. Make sure I don't have any resting orders sitting up here. Okay, we're good. Well, this Asia stuff is for the birds. Yeah, guys, hold those longs for now. I think you're good. I think you're good to new highs. I think you're good to new highs. So just hang on to your longs if you got them. I'm going to call it there for tonight, guys. We're going to finish the stream up 44.50. Count's getting incredibly close to the buffer. You can look in that upper right, and that's what the balance sits on right now. I'm probably going to trade this tomorrow during the New York session and try to get it over the buffer. And then hopefully tomorrow night we'll be in a spot where if we trade well tomorrow night on stream, we could possibly request a payout live on stream. That would be ideal. But guys, if you're continuing to trade this, trade safe, stay patient. Thank you for hanging out with me tonight. If you haven't smashed that thumbs up button yet, smash that thumbs up button for me if you could. And I will see you all tomorrow evening. Peace.